Hi nail art lovers, and welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, I wanted to do something using the blue holographic polish. It is Suitor on a Scooter. It is the ones that I reviewed in my last nail swatch video. I will link it up here for you if you want to have a look at it. But I wanted to use some of those holographic powders, and I thought they were holographic polishes, and I thought that it would be great to do a galaxy nail. Now I did promise a galaxy nail using only glitters, and I will get to that, I promise, but I thought I would just use these polishes just to get some use out of them. So I'm just going to put them onto this as I sponge them onto my nail. I have 2 coats of this, as I said, Suitor on a Scooter. Now it is about 3 or 4 days old on my nails now. Look at it, isn't it absolutely gorgeous? And I'm not really normally into blues, but yeah, definitely this is one that I love. So I'm going to stop jabbering. I'm going to use a bit of a sponge with my tweezers, and I'll just let you watch instead of listening to me talk. I lied, I'm talking. No, I need to tell you what I'm using. So I'm just using some regular white polish just to put over that Suitor on a Scooter. So the purples and the pinks and what other colours and that dark navy that I'm using will all stand out for you. So over top of that then we have a purple called Sea-Duduction, a navy blue called Bat-Chelor Pad, and a pink called Crazy Mod Love. Again, all of these are cupcake polishes, and they are all holos. So now that we have the base laid down for stamping, I am going to use my Bundle Monster BMXL 213 and hit the bottle in white, and we will use a few of these images and then we'll do some shooting stars as well, and we'll see what it looks like in the end. So I'm going to try and arrange some stars around the galaxy swirl so it doesn't get lost in the nail, so you can still see the swirl but there's some stars around it so it's not just sitting there all on its own. So we are on top coat and clean up time, and I'm just using the Essence Dead Gel Look regular polish top coat. I would have liked a cupcake polish top coat to go with this, but I don't have one. I do like doing those videos where you use all the same products, but I don't have one, so we'll have to make do with this one. So I have gone ahead and done the other hand off camera as it's the exact same thing. However, I actually do think the other hand turned out a little bit nicer because I was more heavy-handed with the pink, and I just think that really makes it pop. But just look at them, guys. I have some coconut oil on my fingers as well because I'm finding this is great on my cuticles as opposed to a couple of the cuticle oils I've found. So they are a little bit greasy at the moment, but when that dries in my hands you feel fab and smell gorgeous. So guys, what do you think? Do you like the Galaxy nails using only cupcake polish holo glitters? I absolutely love them. They will definitely not be taken off my fingers for at least 2 days. But I may even leave them there for a week because I am in love. So if you like them, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Hello to all my new subscribers. There has been a few. I don't know where you come from, but keep coming. So until the next one, guys, see you soon. Bye.